If you are a business owner in any of this niche and you have an Instagram account, Facebook, TikTok, or any social platform, I have something good for you. I know that you are not getting enough profile visits, you are not getting enough traffic on your pages, and you are getting tired. In fact, sometimes you run ads, but you only get little out of it. What if I told you that there's a better way that's even free that you can use to generate consistent traffic to your platforms? And that is about Pinterest. I know you've used Pinterest also. You've used it to generate ideas. You even visit it, but you never knew that you can also use it to send people to your Instagram account. And I will show you that from A to Z. So instead of you just going to Pinterest to start looking for ideas, you can also be creating for people. And by the time you create for them and they love your content, they can visit your Instagram account. And there's something I love about Pinterest. Pinterest is not just like every other social media platform where people go there for entertainment or to just keep scrolling. Pinterest people are intentional. They know what they want. And if you are able to create something that they want, they might stick around and visit your page. In fact, Pinterest has over 600 million users. Imagine if you are able to get maybe 500,000 users or 1 million from them and they visit your Instagram account. Wow, that could be more sales. So now, enough of the gist. How do you even start using Pinterest? I will show you. Now, to start using Pinterest, you need to create a business Pinterest account. So if you have a personal Pinterest account before, you can convert it to your business account. But if your personal account doesn't have anything related to your business, it would be advisable for you to create a Pinterest business account. So how do you do that? Go to business.pinterest.com to sign up. Once you get there, a page will open up and then you need to enter your details like email address, your name, password, date of birth, or any other details that it requires of you. Once you've done all of that, now you have a Pinterest business account. Congratulations to you. You can now start creating. But hold up, there is more to it. For you to get the best of Pinterest, you need to make sure that you've set it up well and it is attractive. Imagine you just paid for a warehouse. You just paid and the landlord just handed the key over to you. Does that mean that you can start selling? No. You need to organize your store. You need to paint it. You need to have banners. You need to let people feel welcome when they see your shop. Same way with Pinterest, you need to decorate your profile. You need to set it up in a way that once people see you on Pinterest, they know that you are here for the real deal. And even Pinterest algorithm will be able to understand what your profile and your brand stand for. So the fact that you've created that business account, don't start creating yet. Wait till my next video where I will be showing you how to set your Pinterest account up, how to decorate it, how to make it attractive to Pinterest algorithm itself and Pinterest users. So if you are interested, don't forget to follow me, subscribe to my channel as I will be sharing more tips on how to get the best from Pinterest. I've lived through Pinterest. I've seen how it works. I've used it to generate traffic to my personal website. In fact, as at last year, December, I was able to have over 500,000 monthly views on Pinterest. So I have it. I know what it takes to be successful on Pinterest. So if you're interested, follow me, like my post, and share with a friend that will also benefit from it. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.